to bring it back to oral history. In my almost 500 interviews, I specifically asked people about Yiddish songs. I would record anything they would sing for me in Yiddish. And they did, and they wanted, and they remembered. But not a single one was able to remember any Yiddish song sang during World War II. I asked them about this, and they say, nobody was singing in Yiddish during World War II. They themselves couldn't even talk about the war in Yiddish. They would go up until 1939 in Yiddish. They could finish that story. The war comes, they switch to Russian. So history and memory here are telling very different stories. Those songs did not survive into the memory, but they survived in the archive.